Hey there, tea lovers! Today, I'm diving into the enchanting world of tea. We'll uncover 7 amazing benefits of this magical brew and learn how to prepare the perfect cup. Let's get started. First up, tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These little warriors help combat free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and your body healthy. Green tea in particular is loaded with them, so sip on that green goodness. Second, tea can boost your immune system. Ingredients like echinacea and ginger can help fend off colds and flu. A cup of herbal tea can be your best friend during the sniffle season. Third, it's a natural stress buster. The amino acid L-theanine found in tea promotes relaxation without drowsiness, perfect for winding down after a hectic day. Chamomile tea, anyone? Fourth, tea aids digestion. Herbal teas like peppermint and ginger can soothe an upset stomach and improve digestion. Great for after those heavy meals. Fifth, tea can help with weight loss. Green tea in particular can boost your metabolism and help burn fat. Plus, it's a low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks. Cheers to that. Sixth, it can improve heart health. Black and green teas can lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure. That's some heartwarming news, right? Seventh, it enhances mental alertness. The caffeine in tea can give you a gentle lift without the jitters that coffee sometimes brings. Perfect for keeping you focused during those long study or work sessions. Now let's brew that perfect cup of tea. Start with fresh, cold water. Bring it to a boil for black and herbal teas, or just below boiling for green and white teas. Pour the water over your tea bag or leaves and steep. The time varies: 5 minutes for black tea, 3 minutes for green tea, and about 5 minutes for herbal teas. Too long and it gets bitter, too short and it's weak. Once steeped, remove the tea bag or strain the leaves. Add a splash of milk, a spoonful of honey, or a twist of lemon if you like. And voila, you've got yourself the perfect cup of tea. So next time you brew a cup, remember these benefits and savor each sip. Thanks for tuning in, tea lovers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tea-rific content. Until next time, keep steeping and keep smiling. Catch you later.